If you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you need to go to Settings. Now, over here in Settings, you want to proceed to Network and Internet, and then in here you should be able to find the hotspot and tethering option. Once we open hotspot and tethering, you can find the Wi-Fi hotspot, which can be easily activated just by tapping on this switcher. Besides that, we can tap on the option itself to find the configuration. So you can see the hotspot name. Here we can check out the password, and of course, if you want, you can change it as well. And besides that, we have the option to adjust the speed and compatibility. And for example, we have the option to turn off hotspot automatically if no device is connected to our hotspot. When hotspot is activated, you can also generate a QR code by tapping on this QR code icon. So with this QR code on another device, we can scan this code, and of course, we can connect to the hotspot without the need to search for that network and without entering the password. Now, in addition to that, you should be able to use quick settings or the control center over here to toggle the hotspot. You can just tap on this hotspot button here to quickly enable and disable your mobile hotspot. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.